Hi, welcome back to the next episode of Let's Brew This. The gravity has been stable on the Geordie Bitter now at 1.005 for the past few days, so it's time to bottle. First things first, stir up. Put this on tight this time. Do you reckon that's enough?
Yeah, I think
Things
so.
works? Okay, cool. Right, now everything's dried off, it's time to get bottling. How do we do this? Put half a level teaspoon of sugar per pint into each bottle. Now we're cheating slightly, aren't we? We're using carbonation drops. Just one per bottle.
Yes, that's right.
Cool. Next, without disturbing sediment, siphon off beer into bottles, leaving 1.5 inches of space at the neck. Now remind me how I do this again. So, yeast one goes in,
Yeah.
and suck through this end.
Yes, don't let it touch your mouth.
Don't touch your mouth, okay? And then thumb over, pour into each.
Yeah. Before you put that in there, you might want to put your bottles in the bucket because this is going to get messy.
Okay. Okay. Okay, we've got this. That is in. Suck this out. That tastes pretty good. Quite happy with that. Right, that's a dozen done. How do we cap? Press caps on tightly and shake to dissolve sugar. Now with these, so I put cap on and then,
Yeah, just make sure that it's level when you come down the same.
okay. Come down level, yeah?
Yeah.
Is that it?
Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah, and I checked that it's sealed properly.
Okay, yeah.
Well done.
We're good. My first bottle beer. Last one. My word. Yes. Boom. Dozen bottles. Tell you what, capping is the hardest part of homebrewing without style. Next step, maturing. Store at room temperature for 4 days, then put in a cool place for at least 10 days. In the fridge? Yeah, cool. For at least 10 days to mature and clear. 3 to 4 weeks for barrels, that's fine. The beer will continue to improve for some time after this vital 10 days, so further patience will be rewarded. You need patience for that caffeine. Right, that's a dozen done. I need to bottle the rest of these. Thank you very much for watching us brew this. That is the Geordie Bitter brewed.